If you're ready to make money now, watch this video. I know you want to start a business and you want to make money. That is why you always come to YouTube to watch videos on how to make money, how to make 6 figures, how to make 7 figures and all of that. And after watching this video, you end up not doing anything. After watching these videos, you just get more confused because you have consumed a lot of information. And now you're so confused that you do not even know how to start a business or the particular business that you should go into. So if this sounds like you, then you just found an answer. I have been working on something very powerful, a free 7 days business hunt challenge that will help you, give you clarity, filter and help you to choose the perfect business idea for you. See, like I said, this is a free 7 days business hunt challenge. You can see that the year 2025 have been divided into 2 already. 6 months is gone. And have you asked yourself that, okay, what did you achieve in the last 6 months? Some of us have not even made up to 50k, but we spend a lot of data watching videos on YouTube without executing anything. You know that this relates to you. So make sure that you join the 7-day business hunt challenge. Use the link in the description, sign up and be a part of something very great. I promise you one thing, that after this 7-day challenge, your life will never remain the same. I am promising you that this will give you a clarity on how to choose the perfect business idea for you. So if you're ready to make money, this challenge is for you. If you're tired of scrolling TikTok every time, watching other people's video on how they make money without you making anything, but if you're not ready to make money, please skip this video and keep watching other people's video and be clapping for them as they make their money. So guys, like I said, I promise you that this will be a very refreshing and very powerful experience. You know that feeling of watching other people making money and you feel like your own is the worst. You're asking God, okay God, how did I offend you? You know, people are making money and sometimes you try to execute these ideas but you find yourself not doing it. So like I said, this challenge is for you if you're ready to change your account balance from 0 to 6 figures, 7 figures, 4 figures, 5 figures. Remember that starting a business begins with you having a clarified business idea, a suitable business idea. And now I am giving you this free opportunity to be a part of this powerful challenge so that you can start that your dream business and make money from it. Make sure that you are part of this and do not miss it for anything. See you there.